The YouTube algorithm is actually simple, but most creators completely misunderstand it. It does one job: show people videos they are most likely to watch. That's it. Now here's where you're going wrong. First, click-through rate. If people see your video and don't click, your video is dead. Your title and thumbnail must make people curious instantly. Second, watch time. Getting clicks is not enough. If people leave your video in a few seconds, YouTube stops pushing it. That's why your first 3 seconds are everything. Hook them fast, or lose them forever. If you want to grow fast on YouTube, subscribe now, because this is just the beginning. Third, engagement. Likes, comments, shares. These signals tell YouTube your content matters. But the real secret? Retention. If people watch most of your video, YouTube will promote it to more people. And that's how small channels blow up. So stop focusing on just uploading videos. Focus on making people click and stay. Master that, and the algorithm will start working for you. Like this video and start applying this today.